Hello, Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Let's talk briefly about the 4th of July before we get to the weather, some parking tips. If you're going to be going over to Flagler Beach to see the fireworks, make it a little bit easier for you. These are the recommendations from the Flagler Beach Police Department. If your intent is to drive north after the fireworks, if you want to drive north on A1A, then you want to park somewhere in this red area north of State Road 100. If you want to drive south, try to sneak out like via High Bridge. You want to park somewhere in this blue area and drive south on A1A after the fireworks are over. Matter of fact, they're going to try to direct you that way. And if you want to drive out State Road 100, your best option, matter of fact, the best deal for parking in Flagler Beach is not to park in Flagler Beach, but to park on the west side of the bridge. There's a couple shopping plazas out here. Matter of fact, there's a free shuttle bus that'll take you from here right into the heart of the action at Veterans Park. And that shuttle bus runs all day long and into the evening and past the fireworks, and it will get priority through the traffic. But if you park out here, you can either take the shuttle, walk across the bridge, and then just drive on back out 100 when the fireworks are over. Traffic here is usually not too terribly bad. The worst of it is here in the center of town. You want to avoid the center of town best you can during the when the traffic is all emptying out of here after the fireworks. Let's go ahead and get to the weather. The flow has been generally easterly the last few days, and that generally keeps the showers and thunderstorms on the west side of the state, keeps the beaches dry. However, something's coming up. We have a low pressure system that's trying to get organized out here in an upper level disturbance, all kind of combined. And this little disturbed area of weather is moving our direction and could possibly affect our weather a little bit when we get to the 4th of July. I'm going to talk about that in just a bit, how that is going to have a role, how's that going to play a role in our weather here in Flagler County. Well, through the next several mornings, expect largely sunny skies, but there could be, because of that disturbance coming in, there could be a coastal shower, maybe even a thunderstorm developing, either blowing in from the ocean or developing along the immediate beaches in the morning, and that activity presses inland in the afternoon with the showers and storms transiting inland during the day, and the beaches generally drying out, but there could be a few coastal showers moving on at any time, but the best chances of storms chiefly inland. So the way things are going to play out the next few days, coastal showers possible at the beaches in the mornings, and then afternoon storms likely in the afternoon, and that activity pushing off inland into the west, but we cannot rule out the risk of an additional coastal shower or two blowing in from the ocean. Now, thunderstorms are expected to be more numerous in the afternoons and more county-wide as we go towards the end of the week. And just a reminder, especially as we go towards the middle to the end of the week, any storm is capable of producing squally winds, torrential downpours, and hail, as well as dangerous lightning. You start hearing thunder, it's time to move to a safe place. For the rest of Monday, our high was right near 90 degrees. Any showers and storms will be chiefly west of Bunnell, low temperatures in the mid-70s tonight as those storms fade away. For Tuesday, largely sunny with the risk of a shower storm. The best chances are well west. If you're going to the Palm Coast Town Center fireworks, things look great there for the fireworks in the evening. Highs in the 80s, lows temperatures in the lower 70s at night. For the 4th of July, chance showers or a storm at any time during the day. The best chances along the coast in the morning, inland in the afternoon. Again, this might change a little bit, but that's the way things stand right now. High temperatures in the 80s, low temperatures in the 70s at night. Specifically for fireworks time in Flagler Beach, will be breezy. The outside risk of a coastal shower, but overall looks pretty good for the fireworks with the air temperature about 78 degrees. Now, as that disturbance begins to affect our weather towards the end of the week, we're going to see more numerous showers and thunderstorms, and the storm direction will be coming up out of the south or the southwest, once again pushing towards the beaches. And so numerous showers and thunderstorms expected each afternoon. High temperatures in the upper 80s near 90, lows generally in the mid 70s at night, and look for scattered to maybe numerous storms each day as we go into the weekend. At the beaches, surf 2 feet, surf temperature 72 degrees, moderate rip current risk. Look out for that, and make sure you got your sunblock on. If you're out in the sun, UV index is extreme. In the tropics, little area of concern out here in the northern Gulf of Mexico, but it is moving off to the west. Hurricane Center doesn't have anything out on this other disturbance just yet, but we'll keep an eye on that. So stay informed. Weather is always changing. Go to flaglercounty.org. Hover your mouse over webcams and weather to get the latest weather resources from the National Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you are there so you get notices of any of the big storms that pop up around here. And also, you can use your weather radio as a way to check on the weather, get weather warnings, and also see what's going on in the tropics. Or you can go to hurricanes.gov to get your latest tropical weather update from the National Hurricane Center. Find us on Spectrum, channel 492, and find us on YouTube. Just go to YouTube, type in Flagler County, and you'll find our YouTube channel. That's going to wrap things up to the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a fantastic 4th of July.